Hey, 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 good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I want to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make some appetizers, or maybe you want to sit there and food bank these so you can have some of these whenever you want. Well, whatever it may be, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make wonton crab cake cups. So grab a hold of that vine and swing out of my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. Let's get making them wonton crab cake cups. So what we're going to want to do is go ahead. We're going to open up a package of these imitation crab, and I'm going to sit there and somewhat dice them up or chunk them up. Here is all the imitation crab that I went ahead and chunked up. Now, I'm also going to take the wonton wrappers. I'm also going to take them off to the side, along with the imitation crab, because they'll come in handy a little bit. But now I have a bowl here, and what you're going to want to do is we're going to want to sit there and put one egg, one-fourth cup of mayo. Use whatever type you like to use. I'm using Miracle Whip, but I'm not going to sit there and say you have to use Miracle Whip. If you want to use Hellmann's, go ahead and use Hellmann's. 1/8 teaspoon of the crushed red pepper, half of a tablespoon of honey Dijon mustard, one-eighth teaspoon of celery seed, and then we're going to sit there and take about half of a tablespoon of the minced up dried onion. I want a half a teaspoon of the dried parsley flakes, half a teaspoon of the Old Bay seasoning mix, or I make my own, and I'll be sure to leave an iCard up above so that way you can make yours. And a half of a cup of the panko crumbs. Now, let's go ahead and give all this a good stir. Now that we have it all stirred, take them chunked up imitation crab hunks, and let's go ahead and gently stir it in. Somewhat fold it as I am mixing it to make sure that all the crab is mixed in to that panko crumb mixture with all the herbs and seasonings and the mayonnaise. And so it does look like this. And now I'm going to sit there and get the air fryer basket over here, and we can go on to the next step. As you see here, now we're going to sit there and place wonton wrappers in the inside of each one of these cups. Now that I have each one of my cupcake liners. We're going to sit there and place a good heaping tablespoon or more into each one of these cups. I'm going to grab another spoon, so I'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and just push that all down inside each one of the cups. And I'm going to continue on filling all of my cups up. I want to give you a bird's eye view of these beautiful little babies. Oh my God. They look so luscious. They smell like they're gonna be Well, we're gonna sit there and put them in the air fryer at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna sit there and cook them for about 12 minutes. But before I put these little babies in, I'm gonna sit there and take some cooking spray and just give them a quick zhuzh over the top. And we're gonna cook them. There you go. Okay, my air fryer just sounded off. Let me get a better hold of the pan here. And there's a look. Look at all that beautiful, gorgeous crab cake. Now, I'm going to sit there and plate some of these up. Here they all are. Now, this is a good way of stretching out the budget. And you can sit there and have a nice little snack or an appetizer and make maybe a few course meal for you and your little loved one come this holiday time at Valentine's Day. So keep these little babies in mind come Valentine's Day. That's how easy it was to make yourself some wonton crab cake cups. Well, I'm going to sit there and finish making all mine up, and I'm going to be food baking these because I'm going to use these as little snacks for myself when I am binge watching any of my TV shows. So, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to it. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, subscribe, tap that little bell. That way you always know every time I put out a new video. And thanks for taking the time to watch my video. And y'all come back now. Yeah.